have the attitude of learning. Try building something. Develop a builder culture.
जो सीख रहे हो उसे अप्लाई करना इम्पोर्टेंट होता है।
पैसे की जगह ग्रोथ पे फोकस करना चाहिए।
We got a lot of perspectives from. I mean, Newton's always been a big supporter of building stuff and making stuff.
न्यूटन थोड़ा अलग साइड से जा रहा है, सेम उधर देखा हमने।
I realized the opportunity that I have with Newton and the things we learned. Very happy that I went.
We all were excited for it.
यहाँ से बेंगलोर गए, बेंगलोर में थोड़ा लग रहा था कि हाँ भाई जा रहे हैं अभी।
And then when we actually landed at the Changi airport,
तब हमें रियलाइज हुआ कि हाँ अब आ रहे हैं।
my favorite session was with Mr. Brian, and the one thing that stood out for me was that he has been in this industry for a very long time. He saw the industry change from paper ballots and then now to AI entering their industry. So one thing he told me was that you've chosen engineering and specifically CS engineering. So you should always have the attitude of learning. If any time you stop learning, then that's the final nail on your career's coffin.
When we visited SUTD, बहुत major difference था as compared to our Indian traditional colleges and Singapore के colleges. Their main focus is application based. हमें रटाफाई नहीं करना है बच्चों को. They have to apply and then solve the problem.
श्रद्धा मैम उन्होंने मेंशन किया कि आगे जाके 60-40 स्प्लिट बोल के अप्लाई होगा, जिसमें 40% इज योर कोडिंग स्किल्स एंड बाकी 60% अपने सॉफ्ट स्किल्स और कम्युनिकेशन जो भी आते हैं वो सारा आएंगे।
She was very keen on us knowing that in a tech field also you need to be very, open to connecting and network. Actually, she also gave us a project. Like she said that one of my friends is working on a project, so I could connect you with her, and if you guys work out, then you can work on that project.
Even Gaurav sir also said कि आपको पैसे की जगह ग्रोथ पे फोकस करना चाहिए। फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर एक बड़ी कंपनी है जो अब रुक चुकी है, जो इतना ग्रोथ नहीं दिखा रही, उसकी जगह एक स्टार्टअप है जो अब ग्रो कर रहा है 3x पेस पे, अगर आप उस कंपनी के अंदर आप जॉब लोगे जो ग्रो कर रही है तो इवेंचुअली आप भी ग्रो करोगे।
Tina ma'am was very fixated on the fact that if you're going back from Singapore, then one thing you should take home is the education system that we've built here. So she told us that you've got all the tools in the world. AI is on a boom. So instead of using those tools to get past, what you should do is you should use those tools to learn and make new things. If you don't know a concept, you should ask ChatGPT. In the long term, yes, AI will facilitate you to build stuff, but right now at this stage, you should use it to enhance your learning. I'll say that we were fortunate enough that the meetings were very well planned. Like we got veteran who's worked in the corporate space, starting off as an employee and then going till the VP level. Then we had opportunity to talk to a CEO who made a local Indian firm go global. Yeah, exactly. So we got a lot of perspectives. I'd say that I realized the opportunity that I have with Newton, because if I was in any other college, going there would have been the same. But then coming back, I would have to take out time from my schedule to work on building stuff. Right now, I was being told by my teachers that, you study this and then build this. Try building something. Develop a builder culture. I experienced it there in action. Like first semester students building God knows what. Like they had actual practical applications where robots could be used to sweep up the beaches. So that was really inspiring to see that, we're equals. Because you're also in the second semester, we're also in our second semester. So, and we have the same platform. I mean, Newton's always been a big supporter of building stuff and making stuff. So I was like, if I have that opportunity, then why not capitalize on it?
मेरे लिए भी एजुकेशन वाइज तो यही था कि जितना वो एप्लीकेशन बेस्ड है उतना हमें भी होना पड़ेगा। न्यूटन भी सेम पाथ पे ही है, बट इंडिया में ये चेंज लाना बहुत टफ है क्योंकि सब लोग एक ट्रेडिशनल फॉलो करते आ रहे हैं कि ऐसे ऐसे ही चलेगा, बट न्यूटन थोड़ा अलग साइड से जा रहा है। सेम उधर देखा हमने।
जो सीख रहे हैं उसे अप्लाई करना इम्पोर्टेंट होता है, क्योंकि वो लोग जिस प्राउड वाली फीलिंग से वो जो बता रहे थे अपने, हमने बेसिकली एक ये बनाया था बीच क्लीनिंग रोबोट, जो जिस कॉन्फिडेंस ने प्रेजेंट किया, दैट वाज
Commendable.
हाँ, वो बहुत मेमोरेबल है।
I'll say it was a good and enlightening decision. Good decision was that I stepped out of my comfort zone that I'd built, but going there and then doing all of that stuff कि भाई नहीं बैठना नहीं है, बात करते हैं, पूछते हैं, so that was something that was like हाँ ठीक है, it was a good decision. And the things we learned, it's going to stay with us.
और अगर ट्रिप जाना है तो ऐसे भी जा सकते थे, लेकिन जो 4 लोगों से मिल के आए,
हाँ exactly.
हाँ, वो initially से that's the plus point.
So why do you think future NSTians should go on this trip?
पहला पॉइंट तो मजा तो ऑफ कोर्स आएगा, उसके ऊपर सीखने के लिए भी बहुत चीजें मिली हैं। जैसे 4 लोगों से जो मिले, इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल अगर आप पर्सनली जा रहे हो, कॉलेज ही करवा सकता है।
जो चीजें हम कॉलेज के साथ जाके वहाँ पे सीख सकते हैं, क्योंकि ये जो हम मिले हैं जिन लोगों से, वो हम खुद जाके किसी को अप्रोच करके नहीं मिल सकते।
True.
जो कॉलेज हमें वो अरीना प्रोवाइड कर रहा है सीखने के लिए, वो ऐसे आप खुद नहीं कर सकते, तो दे शुड डेफिनेटली गो।
fun experience, memories we made new friends. Very happy that I went.